Yeah,
Oh, do you want me to babysit our support?
no, but that's the thing. We can invest all our resources into protecting our backline from Tracer.
Yeah, so that's why I like.
You guys need to play really close together and just make it impossible for her to kill you. I don't think there's another way.
Look at each other.
Mercy, that doesn't work. So.
Let's spread around and look for a dive. Try and stay hidden because they're gonna come in with the Ryan Zarya again. Spread around, try and stay hidden, don't poke too hard, and we're gonna look for a target. If they're gonna run weird healer comp like more Ana, we just dive the Ana.
Look after yourselves out there.
Hello there. Hello.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Should have disabled the skins, by the way.
Attackers incoming.
No.
Defend
Never.
objective A.
I think they could dive.
If they are, watch the monkey.
Nice.
Kill. Be careful, you can't be
Resing
res.
it up.
You can't be res Widow, but they can, so be careful. You have more to
Yeah, dive.
Yeah.
They're going to dive our.
Watch the monkey, it's okay, watch the monkey.
Am I following the monkey?
Yeah, you're following the monkey. Go down.
D.Va. Hanzo dead.
There's an Ana and Mercy on main, we can get
My ultimate is charging.
Mercy Discord. Mercy Discord.
Out. Don't get punished. There's a Widow on main, careful.
There's Widow?
On main. Dodge the Widow. Don't die to Widow. Oh god, I body blocked that shot for you.
I will keep you healed.
I was like
Double sniper,
around.
they have double sniper.
It's okay.
yeah, they had.
Oh, they had, I didn't see the Hanzo.
Yeah.
Yeah, now the Hanzo was on the high ground opposite of us. The high ground with the
If they have
flight.
double snipers, we hard punish the tanks and go on snipers. Watch the monkey.
Monkey Discord.
Unmated.
I'm going
Left.
Victoria.
Monkey did.
I'm gonna clean up this.
Monkey rest.
Where are we going?
Top left.
I'm on Widow. Don't go with me.
Oh,
Monkey backline.
Marky's sleeping.
Out. Yeah, go monkey.
Mercy one.
Go one monkey, 3 to 1.
There's one.
Widow on main, right. Careful of the Widow. Nice. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, we're good. Nice. Out. Widow actually. Right, we wanna change.
I have trans.
Change comps, change DPS to McCree and Tracer.
Alright, watch the Tracer. I'm gonna stay. Actually, Dorian, you stay here, and I'll be where you are. Dorian, switch with me. You?
I have all, by the way.
Because the Tracer's gonna come up there to harass all the squishies.
Nano blade next fight.
Yeah.
I'm going to dash
jump
into
in the
air
air.
so have sights on me.
If you can.
Watch the monkey. Watch the monkey.
I'm going to just dash
Monkey's
into air.
gonna jump in. If
Then
monkey
when
jump in, I jump out. Out, next to out. Yeah, I'm in. Monkey died.
Tracer burn.
Deal with her.
Come, down.
Help! Need help!
This one.
I knew she was coming. Oh yeah. I knew she was coming. It's like, okay, she has to be close. And I looked, and she was there.
Okay,
The
nice.
thing is,
We're nice.
Anna
Now we
moved
don't have
forward
blade.
and you didn't.
Focus. Now we don't have blade. If monkey jumps me, I jump out. I jump to
Okay,
the
I'll jump out as well.
I can spam now. They don't have Widow. La.
Yeah, that's it. But watch out for McCree.
No,
Yeah.
he can't hit me.
I don't know.
They're coming top left. They're
It's a bad
wrapping
habit.
around maybe? No.
Spawn cap Mora.
No, we
Mora's
can't.
coming.
No, it's not. They're going to just dive
She's
us.
gonna fade, yeah. Go now.
No, he missed.
Diva.
Diva.
No wobble.
Is it that? Monkey.
I lost my neck and I'm
Oh, sorry.
Diva. Who's next? On that.
Mark on me.
Current point. He's dead, nice. Where's the monkey?
Monkey's still on me.
Oh god. Baby diva. Point. Oh, okay.
Nice.
That was actually kind of solid dive defense.
That was,
That was
really,
really
solid.
good.
But they look pretty bad.
Zero.
Yeah, they are not so.
They didn't give their DPS time to get into a flank position to actually collapse with the tanks.
No, the thing is, they're playing like snipers and they try the hard dive. You can't really do that. If you're playing snipers, then you're not playing dive. Like we talked about in comps, like you're playing a hybrid, you're playing pick comp. So your
No,
tanks
but I
get
mean,
hard
even
to
when they
beat.
had the tracer, they didn't wait for the tracer to get into position.
But they always like even though like they ran like Tracer McCree, so still like you need to give McCree time to get kills. Like he's not gonna, you can't go 3-2-1 McCree kills something. With Genji you can do that.
Yeah, you need to get McCree into position.
Like,
Well, and you need to give him time. It's not just position because you can't like click the head now.
Yeah. Like you need to get him in position. Like that takes time.
Exactly.
It's
Is that
implied.
okay?
It's implied.
Or you want Mercy?
I honestly think Mercy's end with this comp.
I can't wait to see you all in action.
Question is, the monkey dive was also like super far.
Although like we can try the Ana Lucio. Give it,
They
like,
made
Should we ask for a full map?
death.
yeah. Let's ask for full map.
Do you
it's
remember
all up.
Horizon?
This is in 30
What?
seconds.
Oh, it's
Remember
our
Horizon?
movie.
Don't make full jumps.
Yeah.
Don't make, like, the monkey was doing max range jumps and he was half dead before he even arrived.
Dead
Bro,
on
it's
arrival.
It's up to like
Blizzard
it's up to me
World.
to like figure out if I'm
Prepare
capable of
for
making the
attack.
jump or not.
Yeah, I know, I'm just saying. Like, we
What's
struggled
that?
a lot with it on Horizon.
Who is their monkey player? Or was it Forrest?
Yeah, Forest.
I think he's a Ryan one trick. Oh yeah, he has a,
Oh my god.
They have like 3 Ryan one tricks, I think. So that usually happens with Cybox teams, where he plays like with Ryan. Like,
Yeah, why?
Because
That's
he's a
weird.
McCree player, basically. Like he works well with Reinhardt players. That makes sense. But then
But why
Yeah, but still, why it's always Reinhardt one trick?
Hard to
It
explain.
doesn't have to actually be a one trick, but if your only main tank is Reinhardt, then in scrims you are Reinhardt one trick, but you're not gonna play Zarya on scrims when your main tank. But once again, it makes sense because he plays McCree, so their Ryan Zarya comps are really good. Their dive are so good. Okay, so
Pull up
this
too.
this is all around you hitting a big nade, basically. We're gonna do our
Yeah,
best.
make pressure more.
If you hit the big nade, you will become an enemy.
Yeah, you can even like use it either aggressively or to punish their tanks. Like if you see their
Attack
tanks out of
commences
position or
in 30
half committing,
seconds.
you can make them go. And we're gonna do that.
Mhm.
Take
I'm
your
happy.
tank- take your
People
tank
are.
in position.
I'm happy. People are finally relearning how powerful Ana can be.
Yes.
Maggie is up.
Yep.
You fought for how many months? 3 months.
One.
I think it's more.
Commencing. Capture objective A.
Okay, scout.
They're holding far back.
Yeah,
With Oris.
full spam. Let's go to prize. Take the prize. You can jump from there.
You can even go all the way
Yeah,
around
we can go all
first.
the way around. Let's do that.
Maggie, let's go behind them.
Follow me.
Let's go behind them.
Already? Nice. Let's see what we can dive. Oh, they're all up there. I see. And a shots. Okay, we can walk up. Just walk up.
Tracer behind you guys.
It's fine.
In McCree, click McCree.
He's hitting.
Charging.
You need to get out. By the way, that's like the main issue of running an Ana because the Tracer just negated all of our healing for this whole fight. We had no healing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she needed pills.
No, I need to
Yeah,
be
but-
somewhere different. It was my fault.
We can't be somewhere different when we just woke up.
Like I pilled
I should
for
not go with you.
We built for
I
it, but
guess.
like, and the rest of the team didn't have any healing still.
Yeah, but everyone should pill for her.
Let's go, main.
I think I should.
We can spread out.
Your support is your multiplier. If the multiplier dies, you're
I'm not
really
saying
weak.
it's not correct to peel. I'm saying like
I got stuck.
I got
Yeah. Are you committing? No, no, get out.
Oh no!
Okay, we need to get our support
Tracer.
really fast because I'm in favor of swapping to Mercy.
Yeah, it's just doing on a blade and I'll wipe them.
Alright, Dorian hard commit with a nice one blade and you can bump like if you die. But don't be afraid to
Okay.
take damage and just...
No, they're not a blade.
Are we all here? Yeah. Wait, farm nano first. Maybe nano.
Tracer's back.
It's gonna be
Cease
on
your
time.
resistance.
I have nano.
Just wait, we have all our ults. Here they come! Farm, quasi farm your beats. In the meantime, Dorian farm your bomb.
Okay, I need you guys to just jump in. Okay? Okay, okay.
I almost have bomb. I'm on the tree.
We are sleeping.
Mora's still behind.
Mora.
Mora. Diva point, Diva point, Diva point, Diva point. Diva point, Diva point.
Nice.
Okay,
Okay, they
get out, get out.
changed the dive, changed the dive.
I'm going very aggressive.
First point at all.
Take the top, take the bridge.
I'm going
I'm
very
on
aggressive
card,
because I
I'm
need
on
my
card.
neck back.
So you stay hard.
Watch out, we come for you.
Maggie, be careful.
Bring it down.
Yeah, Cyborg's a good McCree, you need to pick up.
You have a stomper?
You don't have enough kills to help you.
Just push card, just push card, just push card, just push
Hard
card.
until they can test you and get out. Hard. Right now, get out. Out.
Monkey one.
Have Sombra.
Where's the Samba?
On card right now.
Behind us.
Where's the enemy?
The tree is on our right side.
Okay, Primal. Hack Sombra.
I'm behind the stairs and it is.
We can do nano blade.
Ready?
Okay. Okay, give me nano right now.
That one.
I'm with you. Any heals?
And monkey. This is Sombra. Yeah.
Right, out. Dorian, Mac.
Oh, very good.
I'm gonna someone on car.
Sombra half on
I'm gonna taxi.
They have EMP.
3 point.
They have Widow now instead of McCree.
Monkey on high ground right side.
We don't left.
60
Low ground.
seconds
Okay, high
remaining.
ground. Oh, I see.
Dive with him.
They're all on team.
Monkey.
Sombra is half. One I mean.
Diva.
My blade almost keep me alive.
I keep losing my mag, dude.
Someone sleeping behind.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Widow coming in again.
No.
Monkey.
Watch out for the video, watch out for the video.
I didn't go far. God.
Point.
Fuck.
We go to point, we get instantly deleted.
I was... Feels bad, man.
Yeah, we played well.
But we still won.
By the way, Dorian, if you're losing mech a lot, then like we really need you to record your games because there's no other way to help you than look at your VOD and see how we can improve that part.
Switching sides.
I didn't sleep monkey enough.
It's... You slapped the Sombra.
RP.
And Tracer. It's a win in my
Yeah,
head.
it was just 2. And I was like 10 more. And I'll miss on monkey. Feels bad.
Star pick.
It's our map.
Yeah, it's
Gibraltar.
Playing Lucio is fun.
Gibraltar.
You wanna play Gibraltar?
Horizon.
Maybe Gibraltar actually, because I feel like they're gonna pick King's Row or something for 4th map.
Yeah.
So like
Okay.
it's gonna be pretty annoying playing Horizon.
Or maybe Rialto.
Rialto is gonna be even more annoying.
They want switches.
Well, we did
Yeah, but it's for open
we did a
division, right?
capture point. We did assault, so I mean we did hybrid. So it's 2 CP or payload.
Yeah, that's why I
Payload,
said
so.
Gibraltar.
Yeah. Bunker Billy.
Where is Bunker Sneeze?
Oops.
Ventus and Ares for Bunker Billy. What the fuck?
No, there are 2 players.
What?
Brigitte.
I just lost connection to my game server. What the?
Yeah, you left.
What? What was that?
Hmm?
You hear me?
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
What the fuck was that?
What was what?
Like as soon as I lost connection to game server, then I like 1-2. I was back in the game.
So you're back.
I'm back.
Maggie, so how do you feel about playing Anna?
I need to sleep monkey more often.
Why are we waiting?
Prepare
Okay.
to attack.
I
yeah.
wouldn't play Anna on
Select
first
your
attack.
hero.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so the thing we need to prepare to is on 3rd, we're gonna need to like hard swap something, because